Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw listing inquiries from Realtor.com into Airtable step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Realtor.com. Log into your Realtor.com account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the dashboard and locate the listing inquiries section. Select the relevant listing for which you wish to withdraw inquiries. Review the inquiries associated with that listing. Choose the specific inquiries you want to withdraw. Copy the information from each selected inquiry. Now, open a new tab and navigate to Airtable. Log into your Airtable account. Create a new base or select an existing base where you want to store the inquiries. Create a new table if necessary, and label it appropriately for your listing inquiries. In the table, set up the necessary columns to match the information from Realtor.com. Label the columns with relevant headers like name, email, phone, and inquiry details. Return to the tab with your Realtor.com inquiries. Paste the copied information into the appropriate columns in Airtable. Double-check to ensure all information is accurately placed in the right fields. After verification, save the changes in your Airtable base. Consider adding filters or views to better organize your inquiries. Finally, exit both platforms after confirming all information has been successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.